Well, folks, I'm up. Barely. Literally like 2 seconds ago. Where you headed to? Up there, or?
I want to go back up there and cast some more.
I would. I'll follow you. I'm not gonna be leaving this spot for at least an hour.
Yeah.
He's still alive. I was half tempted to have him for breakfast, but I don't know if I want to work that hard for breakfast. It's not a meal I want to work for. Oh, I'm gonna chuck some crawlers out, try to get more bait, and I'm gonna make breakfast and maybe follow Brian up into the backwater. There's a lot of pike in there, dude. I'm telling you right now.
Well,
they might not be monsters, but there's a lot of pike in there.
I can go for around till noon, and then I'm gonna head out.
Yeah, thanks for the coffee, man. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out for a couple of days at least.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Hey, you too. Catch you later. Well, Brian's headed out. He's got a couple hours to fish, but he's got to go a couple miles downriver to get picked up. So, yeah, I'm going to take a bath. Whoa. That wind is chilly, but man, that was refreshing. I haven't quite decided what I want to do, but I'm really thinking about going to that island. That island's about a mile long. It's got log jams all the way around it. It's got water that goes into the middle of it. And with how late it is already, I'm just gonna stick around here. Probably gonna have to make that bass for lunch. It is gone already. I think it's cooling down enough. Oh, yep, fish on. Sweet. Boy, this is kind of heavy for a bait rod. Hopefully it's a big old bluegill or perch. I think so. I think it's a bluegill. It's fighting like a bluegill. Sweet. Aw, man, it's just a little bass. Come on. Oh well. Today's skunk is out. Just a teeny weeny little guy. But hey, a fish is a fish is a fish. Alright, Mr. Bass. I'll put you out of your misery. First largemouth bass I've ever eaten. Oh, yeah, he's still fresh. He's still alive. So, he'll still be fresh. Got my bass fillet, largemouth bass fillet. This is the 6th fish that I've filleted on this trip. I'm ready to hit the backwater here for, it's about 5 o'clock. Probably do it for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Come back and do some bait fishing for cats. I don't care what I get when I chuck lures. I don't care what I get. I might hope for a big pike, but the water decides to throw me a bass or catfish or walleye or whatever, I'll be happy to catch it. But we're gonna start with the bucktail. Oh, this is a lot lighter, that's for darn sure. Alrighty, we're in the water finally. This bottom is nothing but dead rotting leaves. Alright, we got a chuck of lure. You can actually see in here. It's not very deep. Well, right here it is. Oh, that was definitely a bite. I didn't get it very good. Even if I tried to set the hook, I don't think it would have worked. Got it! It's a pike. Biggest pike I've got in a while. Don't you dare. Yeah. Oh, he's already bleeding all over the place. Didn't hook him bad though. He's hooked good. No. Calm down, dude. There we go. Just a little guy, but it's the biggest one I've got in a while. Wow, he is really bleeding. Hopefully he'll be fine. Oh no. That's not good. I might have to learn how to fillet a pike tonight. He swam out of my hand and disappeared, and I don't know where he is now. So hopefully he'll be okay. As much as I really did not want to try and cook a pike right now, I was going to, just because I thought he wasn't going to make it, but he swam away. Pretty sweet to get a dogfish. Oh no. Let's try the bucktail, see if that guy will come back. Got him. That is a dogfish. Look at that. It's probably the one that touched the top one. Oh, he got off. Well, I didn't get him, but it was fun to fight him. It wasn't as big as the one I landed yesterday, but probably would have it halfway spat out of his mouth by the time I set the hook. That was a terrible hook set job anyway. Little pike. Where's a little dogfish? It's a little pike. Got that one. This looked pretty good. Don't you start freaking out. Stop it. I will let you go. Just need to... Oh, you got it out. Calm down. There's a little pike. There kind of seems to be one predator every time there's a little bay or a corner in this backwater. They don't like the long, straight edges. Huh, nothing hungry in that corner. Really like to get into a big pike. I just don't know if there's any big pike in this backwater. Oh, no way. Stop swimming towards me. Another pike? Oh, that's a bass. Do I want dinner now? Another largemouth. What do I have for dinner? Rice. I kind of got to keep him. Well, I got a stringer. He's probably long enough. He is hooked good too. He's 15. Well. Oh no, I might not keep him. Alright, well, that's fish number 3 boated. And unfortunately for him, I really don't have a whole lot left for dinner. Ooh, I just missed the grass. Cool. Oh no. Oh, and he bit it again. Now I'm gonna have to put something else on. Darn it. Came back and I wasn't ready. Maybe I'll try, oh, hey, we'll try the chatterbait. Let's see what this one does. Do I need to throw a bucktail back out there? Will. That's what you really want. Did it. You know what we're gonna do? Switch colors. That's what we're gonna do. Got blue and yellow. Fine. Oh. There it was. He wants the bucktail. I think it is a bass. Try the other bucktail. I'm gonna get this freaking fish. That was him. Got him. Was it a pike that whole time? Maybe it was that pike that whole time. I thought it was a bass. Now I think it was this pike. Just a little guy, but hey, I caught a bunch of fish in here. Yep, you're gonna go. There you go, dude. Holy crap! I worked so hard for that freaking fish. So hard to paddle away. Or if you're on shore, walk away from a fish that you've had bite, especially that many times. This is what it took to get this fish. So much work for just a little fish, but I still like it. How long is this video clip? 38 minutes. I think it's been all trying to get that fish. Oh, now I'm getting a bite on the other one. Are they about to turn on? Right when I want to make coffee? Darn it. Right when I want to do something. Oh. Why did I do that? It wasn't even under yet. That was dumb. It was hammering it too. Holy crap. I look away and the bobber's gone. Holy crap. There's like a school in here now. This is ridiculous. Finally! Got one. Why do you gotta go and do that? Alrighty, we got 3 live fish. Take it. There we go. Literally just moved this closer to shore. This one feels like a bigger one. Sweet, that is a bigger one. That is some nice bait. I literally cast that one. Finally got the hook on it. Oh, that one's perch. 2 live perch. What, 3 bluegill? Get my boots on, chuck a live gill out. At this point, I might as well just start chucking at least 2 catfish rods out. Look at that, isn't that a beautiful sight? Calm down. We're gonna throw the big guy out. Alrighty, got the first live gill going out. Alright, well, Brian had a whole bunch of slams on live perch last night. And I did last year when I was in this spot. Alright, got the gill from yesterday. I cut him. He's still pretty healthy, but last catfish rod going out. And there we go. We are in business. No way. This bluegill that I cut is still alive. Cool. I guess I got live and cut bait. Sitting out there flopping and bleeding. Double attraction. Alright, I got all my rods moved. Time to make some bread. Or I think I might have a small fish on. I do have a fish on. Wow, sweet. Live perch. Doesn't seem very big. He wasn't pulling hard. But sweet, it's a fish. Sweet, that's a nice one. Holy crap. Oh, it's a flathead. Yes. Whoa! I got me a flatty. It's not a big one. Look at that, man. These fish, I just love these fish. Like, he gulped that live perch. That was not a small live perch. I'm gonna throw him on the scale. Alright, calm down, buddy. You're not. Ah! That's the first time I've ever been bit by a flathead. 11.7. I'll take this over all the channels, unless there's like a 40-pound channel out there. But even still, I'll take that 40-pound channel and this guy. Can you see that? Woo! Boy, he doesn't want to go. Come on, dude. You can go. Tell your great-great-grandpappy to come over here. Get that other perch on there. Chuck him out. Try to get another one. Yeah, I will catch y'all in the morning. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I will catch y'all on the next episode, which is the next part of this trip. So, peace.